Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review and unboxing of the Adidas Tango Stadium Icon training t-shirt. It's a football top, but I'm going to use it for the gym because it's pretty much the same thing. But yeah, and yeah, this is extra small. I think I got it in extra small because that was all the size left, and I got it for 8 quid, guys. 8 quid. It was normally 20 something, but because of the sale, it went down to 15, something like that, and then I got a discount as well, so that was alright, which put it down to £8, which is mad. So yeah, I'll go ahead and open this. Sorry guys, I'm a bit ill, winter season. So yeah, this is the packet it comes in. You can't really see much on this, just warning signs in different languages. I will wear this and show you what it looks like as well on me, so don't worry about that, guys. Okay, nothing else there. Get rid of that packet. Alright, so it's a really nice green colour, as you can see. Wow. On my camera you can't tell because of my flash, but yeah, look at that. That looks blue now, what the fuck? On my camera it looks blue, with flash it looks light blue. In my person is green, which is mad. Okay, so this is the top itself. Why does it look blue, guys? I don't even know. I don't know, it must be the reflection or something. Let me just turn my tripod around so you can see much better. I'm gonna raise the tripod so you can see better. I'll go to the full length. Okay, so this is the t-shirt itself. If I can show you. Oh my god. Okay, so there's the front. There's the front of the t-shirt. Oh my god. This is hard to show you guys. Alright, so it's not full sleeve, it's a short sleeve one. And it's got like a, hold up guys. There you go. It's a nice material to it. I think it's nylon or something like that. And you got the 3 Adidas stripes there. I don't like this because it's not that comfy, to be honest. But yeah, it's a V-neck by the way, which is a bit odd because I don't usually wear V-necks. But yeah, and it's I think it's Climalite or something fabric, which makes it basically gets rid of sweat. You won't sweat in this, which is pretty cool. It stops you sticking to your skin and stuff. And it's got Raglan sleeves, which is this part here, which I've never heard of before, guys. But yeah, and the color of this is turquoise. So yeah, that's why it looks a bit blue. But trust me, it's green in person. So yeah, this is extra small by the way. It's well long, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and then you got this weird sign here. I've never known what that is. I think it's a collab with somebody. That sweat thingy. I think it's not a technology they own. But yeah, very soft material, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, on the back you got the Adidas stuff as well. You can see the Adidas stripes, nothing else on the back, to be honest. And on the front you got the Adidas sign. I really like that, it's engraved as well, so you can feel that. And then here, this is not extra small, it's just small. So I should have got extra small, to be honest, but I don't know if they do that. So UK is a small, all the countries is a small, and Japan, this size is a medium in Japan, fucking hell. Alright, so that's in grey as well, and Climalite, made in Cambodia. Probably paid somebody 10p to make about 50 of these, or thousands of these. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put these on and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, I've got it on, so I'm going to go, I don't know where I should do this. How will you be able to see this? Alright guys, I'm going to stand right here. Okay, so sorry about the scenery. This is where I record. One day I'll have an office or something, or a studio, fuck knows. Hopefully you'll be able to see me in a second when I go stand over there. Okay, so I don't know if you'll be able to see me. 1 second guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I have no idea if you can see me, so I'm going to pause the video and re-record another scene, see how much you can see, and try to figure something out. Guys, by the looks of it you can see. I'm going to go switch that light off behind, so it's a nice scenery, guys. I don't know if that looks better, but I don't know, it just looks better in a sense. So yeah, I'm going to go stand behind the camera again, and sorry. Alright guys, sorry about the belly. It is skin tight, so you get to see my belly. My belly is not that big, but it's big. I'm getting fat because I eat too much. But yeah, this material is really soft, and like I said, it's a bit long. because my pant line is up here, as you can see. So it should be about around here. It's one of the long line tops, I'd say. Got the Adidas sign here, by the way. These stripes actually feel, they're not very comfy. So I don't like that, these stripes here. I don't know what you can see on the camera at the moment. That's why it's a bit weird. And this is itching me because I got a fucking tag up my ass. Okay, I'll show you the tags in a second. But yeah, it's a very nice material, it's very nice. Look at that. This is from the behind, and this is from the corner. It's actually very nice. You can't move. There's enough space to move around in and stuff like that. Like you won't get any friction burns or anything. But yeah, so I'll show you the tags and stuff inside. Overall, this product is very nice. So yeah, nothing to complain about. Alright guys, these are the tags I was on about. I didn't see them at first, but yeah, they're here. They exist. So we've got Adidas ClimaLight. Stay dry, stay comfortable. ClimaLight keeps your body dry by drawing sweat away from your skin. Same thing on this side, I'm guessing. And then this side, dry in every condition. Same thing it says pretty much. Sweat, but don't sweat it. So yeah, I bought this for the gym, mainly for that sweating reason, and because I needed something quite comfy. That's really comfy. Only thing I don't like is these stripes here. You can feel them on your shoulder. You can actually feel them. So I'm guessing eventually that'll go away and I won't notice it, because my body will get used to it. But yeah, and to be honest, to say it's a V-neck, it doesn't look that bad. It's alright for a V-neck. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time.